Alright, so today we're looking at the DIERYA DK63. Now this is sponsored by them because they did send this to me, but does not affect my opinion. So in the unboxing you will see that we actually get the keyboard, of course, and then you get a keycap puller and a braided cable. So around $50, this is how much this keyboard cost. It is Bluetooth, has RGB, looks pretty good. In this keyboard I do have the browns, so I mean, it is what it is. The tactile is kind of a cheat way so that you can actually make it sound better without actually having linear switches. The space bar is a little bit rattly for me. I don't know how much I like that. I mean, for $50, bro, I mean, this is a good keyboard. Bluetooth and everything, like that's really nice.